First, disconnect your computer from the internet so the suspicious app cannot download anything else. Next, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any process named PC App Store or anything unfamiliar that is using a lot of CPU or memory. Select it, then click End Task. Now open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find PC App Store, click the three dots next to it, and choose Uninstall. Also remove any other program that was installed around the same time and that you do not recognize. After that, press the Windows key and R, type App Data, and press Enter. Check the local, local low, and roaming folders for folders named PC App Store or other suspicious names, then delete them. Next, open Task Manager again and click Startup Apps. Disable PC App Store and any unknown startup program. Now open Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection, choose Scan Options, and run a full scan. When that finishes, run a Microsoft Defender offline scan as well. Finally, restart your computer and check your browser extensions. Remove anything unfamiliar, reset your browser settings if necessary, and make sure PC App Store does not return after startup.